from GATE 2023. The question is from complex analysis. Let's see quickly what the question says. They have given omega an open connected subset of C that contain U. And what is U? U is a closed disk of radius half. Now they have defined a set tau such that set of the collection of all the functions which are analytic on omega and supremum of mod of fz minus fw where zw belongs to u, that supremum value is 1. Actually this is the definition of diameter of image of a function. Okay, now let's see quickly what the statement says. Statement P says if f belongs to tau, f belongs to tau means f satisfies these two conditions. That means f is analytic and also supremum of this value is 1. Then f dash at 0 mod of this is greater or equal to 2. Does there exist any function or not? Okay, so let's see how we will do that. We have to verify this. So we know the formula of Cauchy, right? Cauchy integral formula, that fn at a is n factorial by 2 pi into fz by z to the power n plus 1 dz, right? So we have to find the derivative f dash at 0 at the point 0, right? So fn at 0 will be n factorial by 2 pi I fz by z to the power n plus 1 dz, right? So actually I did a mistake here. It should be z minus a here, okay? Z minus a to the power n plus 1. So okay. Now to do this problem we have to take, because you look there, a term is look like fz minus fw. Okay, so to construct these types of a function we consider another function and give it a name as gz by fz minus f of minus z. Why we take these types of function, we you will see shortly. So if fz is equal to this, then what is f dash g dash z? If gz is this, then g dash z is f dash z minus f dash minus z into minus 1, right? So you will get at the point 0 z dash 0 is 2 into f dash 0, right? So now from this definition, G is also analytic because AP is analytic. So G dash 0 will be what? In factorial by 2 pi I. So N is what here? 1. So G dash 0 will be 1 by 2 pi I into ZZ by Z square dz, right? Now what is your ZZ? Your ZZ is Fz minus F minus Z, right? Now just write the value of this. And also what is Z dash 0? Z dash 0 is 2F dash 0, right? So this one. Now take the modulus on both sides. Okay, if you take the modulus on both sides, the modulus will be in each term here, mod z then mod z square, right? So this is del u. Okay, so u is what? U is the closed disk of radius half. So on the boundary of u is mod z equal to half, right? So here if you take the modulus on both sides, what will you get? This is modulus, right? Mod of fz minus f minus z. Look, what is the supremum value of this? The supremum value of this is 1, right? That means fz minus fw is greater or equal to these types, fz minus f minus z, or anything that belongs to w, right? So this value is less or equal to 1. So we can write this value as less or equal to 1. This 1 we have written is less than equal to 1. And this mod z is what? Here mod z is equal to half. So put half in place of mod z and it remains mod dz. Now how we will compute this mod dz? Look, if you take z is equal to half e power I theta, because this is here mod z is equal to half, so you can take z is equal to half e power I theta. So what will be your dz? This will be your dz, and mod dz will be half d theta. Okay, now theta is from 0 to 2 pi, so you will get that 2f dash 0 is this one, right? So after calculating you will get 2f dash 0 is less or equal to 2, and hence you will get f dash 0 is less or equal to 1. But in the question, the statement P says there exists f such that f dash 0 is less or equal to 2. But generally we take a function f, any function f, and we see that its derivative, the f dash 0, can be maximum 1. Okay, so the statement P cannot hold, so this is wrong. So same thing we will do for statement Q. Okay, so now I hope you can do it by yourself. Now pause the video and try q by yourself. Okay, now let me show you how we will do. Again we will do the same. We will now do third derivative of g with respect to at the point 0, and that will be what z30 is right 3 factorial by 2 pi I into this. Now again take the modulus both side, you will get this term, and this is what supreme of this value is 1, so this is less or equal to 1. So here mod z is equal to half, so z to the power half is what, half to the power 4, so it will be on the upper side 2 to the power 4, and there mod z to the, mod dz, right? So again you know what is mod dz, so you just put the value of this. How you will do, you will get this value 2 pi into half for this value integration mod dz, right? So after calculating you will get 2f dash 0 is less or equal to 48, right? And from there you will get f3 0 is less or equal to 24, and 24 is strictly less than 48, right? So that's what statement q says, that f30 is less or equal to 48. So that means option q is right but option p is false. So let's see which option will be. So p is false, that means option c is right, q is true, option d is true. Okay, so that was the question. I hope you understand the video.